This delicious banana bread recipe is easy to make and will be a hit with the whole family. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Add flour to a bowl. Salt, baking powder, and baking soda. Mix well and set aside. Add the bananas to a bowl and mash them. Add the sugar. Mix well until you have a glossy texture. Add the eggs, the butter, and the vanilla. Once combined, you can add the dry ingredients. Mix until just combined. Now fold in the chocolate chips until evenly distributed throughout the batter. It's important not to overmix at this stage. Pour batter into your prepared pan and level out. Place in the center of your preheated oven for 45 to 50 minutes. A toothpick in the center should come out with a few crumbs when ready. Slice, serve, and enjoy.